your lucky day. Since people were in a big line when we got there.
Yeah, they only have one piece left. It says Allison. I got the pink one! I love it. I'm seeing people freezing dumplings and I want to do that. And then I'm gonna